welcome back. My name is Kenzie. If you're new here, today we are going to be continuing on with our bedroom renovation. We are so close. We are almost there, you guys. But today we have to finish all the molding in the rooms. Have to talk about our fireplace situation, which is kind of a bummer. We have to wood fill everything, sand everything, and then we also have to paint. And then after that, we're going to move in all the new furniture and just get everything decorated and settled, and then we will be done. We're so close. I am so excited. This room is probably the one room in our house that has transformed the most, and I love it so much. I am so happy with it so far, and obviously you can see behind me that it's clearly not even close to being done. But we have a lot to get done today. I'm excited to get my paint clothes on and get going. Let's go.
Honestly, I've always struggled to find the right products for my skin, but especially after having kids, my skin is a lot more sensitive and difficult to navigate. It's hard for me to know where to even start with finding the right product, and if you're anything like me, the simpler the routine, the better. I took Typology's skin diagnostic test to help me figure out my exact skin type and the products and routine that will benefit my specific skin the most. This is not just your average skincare test, it's a personalized journey towards healthier, happier skin, and let me tell you, it has been a game changer that has transformed my skincare routine. Typology focuses on simplicity and effectiveness, and they've curated a range of products crafted in France with natural vegan ingredients that are gentle yet really powerful. And I personally love all the products from them that they recommended for my skin, but there are a few in particular that are just my favorite and have truly transformed my skincare routine for the better. I love this purifying cleansing gel packed with 2% zinc PCA and bamboo extract to deeply cleanse, unclog pores, and rebalance the skin, making it ideal for a combination to oily skin typology. And there's also this antioxidant moisturizer. This helps prevent premature signs of skin aging thanks to its antioxidant ingredients. This moisturizer is so good. My face is so sensitive and I definitely get breakouts very easily, but this stuff has never failed me. It also smells so good and a little goes a long way. The fact that all of these products are personalized for me and my specific skin type is what makes these work so well. Typology offers a free skin diagnostic test that gives you personalized skincare recommendations based on your skin. The skin diagnostic places you into one of 24 different skin typologies based on your skin needs. After a few months of using these products, my skin has never felt healthier. The difference is remarkable, and I've finally found a clean yet effective skincare routine that I can trust. Typology also decided to give my subscribers this radiance mask. I love this stuff. I use it about once a week, and it balances out my skin tone and totally replenishes my skin. By using my unique link in the description below and spending a minimum of $40, you'll receive a free radiance mask with yellow clay. This offer is only valid for 1 week, and I will have all those details down below as always.
Hi guys. Oh my god. Okay. I clearly lost my voice. I'm a little sick. So, Nick is going to do my voiceover. We're going to do I cannot even. We're gonna do my husband does my voiceover because he's pretty much the star of the show of this video anyway. So here you go.
Is it working now? Okay. Yeah. I didn't know what it was. Okay. What's going on? Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Kenzie Mac's husband, Nick. I don't even know where to begin, honestly. I read your guys' comments. I'm always talking with Kenzie about her community that she's built, and yeah, it's you guys are so supportive, and yeah, I'm gonna help her out while her voice is MIA. So here we go. One thing I noticed throughout this project is the amount of cuts and the amount of miter and bevel cuts we had to make to actually get a nice seamless finish. So here you can see that, and I'm actually brad nailing those seams together to get that seamless finish. So really doing that everywhere, up top, down below near the baseboards, and here up against the ceiling. Alrighty, and here's Kenzie's grand entrance finally into this video with her great contribution of maybe 2 to 3 boards here. Just kidding, totally kidding, guys. Yeah, she was just watching the kids and doing more important things and focusing on the editing.
Okay, so we have a bit of a hiccup, a bit of a situation. Our original plan in this room was to build a fireplace on this wall behind me. I just wanted like a very, very thin depth built-in fireplace, and that was my dream for it. Now it's gonna have like a plaster and do some arch detailing, and it was gonna look really cool. But the way that our room is set up is so strange. The fireplace wouldn't need to be in the middle of this wall. It would need to be right here where this vent is. This is a pretty important vent from my understanding. This vents from our laundry room into here. I don't know. All that I know is when we did the tour of this house, our builders were like, yeah, don't block this vent. So that's a bummer. We could technically build a fireplace like on the middle of this wall, but then this vent would still be here. We would have to probably cover it up with a tree or something, which I'm so down for, but it wouldn't be centered with our bed, and then everything just wouldn't be centered, and it would drive me nuts. And then when we're laying in our bed, the TV is not centered either, and we would have to turn our heads to watch TV, and that would be silly. So the TV situation needs to stay here. We used to have an old fireplace that was just like not a built-in one. I don't know, and then I must have forgotten about this vent because we made full plans to build out this fireplace. So then I was looking up like, what are alternatives? Can we move the vent? Can we cover it somehow? Could we just build the fire, like build something over it and then just like vent it out some way, which we probably could do that, but I don't know. I don't want to risk it. I feel like that's just not my territory, and that's not something I want to do. I have paint in my hair. That is paint. I feel like that is just definitely not in our realm of expertise. So we are not gonna do that. So plan B, instead of getting a built-in fireplace, we got these little cabinets. I got these from Walmart. They were such a good deal. They were on sale when I bought them. I hope they are still on sale now. But they are so beautiful. They're the prettiest natural wood color, and they have a cane detail on the door. I absolutely love these, and I feel like these fit perfect there. These work for the vent because we can put it up against the wall. Well, not completely up against the wall, obviously, because we have our molding and our baseboard, but they obviously will still leave enough room, but we can still have the vent covered, like for aesthetic reasons. And we can also have like a TV stand sort of thing. So I figured we never really used our last fireplace anyways. The only reason I wanted to build one in was for design purposes. So I think this works for now until maybe eventually we'll like figure out a permanent situation to move the vent. But for now, this is what we're going with. This is a very budget-friendly alternative and so much easier. It's gonna save us so much more time. So instead of putting the fireplace on this wall, we weren't gonna do any molding, but now that the fireplace isn't going on the wall, we are gonna continue the molding on that's in the rest of the room onto this wall. And I think that's gonna be just the icing on the cake. That's gonna be much easier to do than to build a whole built-in fireplace. So I am down for that. I'm so happy with this decision. Kind of started out as a bummer of a situation, but it's all gonna be okay. It's gonna be looking great no matter what. That is the update. Now let's finish the molding on this wall, and then let's get to painting.
Here are my orders from my boss, Kenzie. Just building the bed frame out for us here. We actually got a lower one that actually should fit our bed frame a lot nicer here from Soft Frame. So enjoy this quick little time lapse. This bed we're putting together is by the brand Soft Frame, and I'm pretty sure it's one of her brand deals, and I'm sure she'll tell you more about it when she actually can speak and gets her voice back. All I know is it said to open the box ASAP and not to use box cutters so it can really expand properly. So that is what I did and what you can see that I'm doing here. This is one of those cloud bed dupes according to Kenzie, whatever that means. but she really seems to love the aesthetic, and I am pleased with it too. You just put the pillow frame part over the metal bed frame, so it really looks like it's floating there. And then you're going to put your mattress on top of the frame, and you're good to go. Here you can also see it comes with a back headboard, and that's pretty much a giant pillow, so it's actually really easy to move around and really get to the exact spot we need, which is great for our walls. As you can see, is they are very uneven with those window placements. So really pretty cool invention here with soft frame, and super easy to put together, so I definitely appreciate that side.
I also want to mention the whole reason we're putting this together now and not later after we paint is because I want the wrinkles to expand out. It's obviously really wrinkly right now, so that's gonna just get way better over time. So after a few days, I will show you guys what it looks like, and it looks so much better already. So anyways, I'll show you guys in the next video.
The inspiration behind this project was really to have a nice molding finish to it. So through this, we're actually putting up this molding that we found from Lowe's, just to really enhance, but also to cover up a lot of the gaps that you could see from the quality of wood that we did get from Lowe's. So here we're using just some miter shears, but some of these miter shears, some angles were working great for it. So I just found that actually getting a miter box worked the best. So I'll show you guys that here, but most of these were actually mitered and picture frame cut using a miter saw, but also those miter shears you saw. Alright, well, looks like we've come to the end of the video, and that only took about 3 weeks, so about 2 weeks longer than I thought it would take. And due part to that just because of the details, we really want to make sure these finite details are to the best of our ability, just so we can get the best result, because we do love this house and really want to make it a home. My wife is a lovely designer, and when it comes to these designs, I'm always amazed on what she's able to come up with.
So we unfortunately are not going to get to painting in this video. Boy, you guys, do I have the tea for you with this whole paint situation. When I get my voice back, I will sit down and give you the whole story. Long story short, we screwed up so bad. We didn't screw up, somebody else screwed up. And, okay, I will give you all the nitty-gritty details in the next video, I promise. But I just wanted to mention we didn't get to painting today. I promise I will update you guys so soon.
Here's your reminder that every person has a different skin type, and just because a product works for everyone else doesn't mean it's particularly right for you. I encourage you to take Typology's diagnostic skin test to find out your specific skin type so you can get products that actually make a difference in your skin. My link is in the description box where you can take the diagnostic test and where you can receive a free radiance mask with yellow clay. I love this stuff. This offer only lasts for 1 week, so make sure to jump on it while you can.
And that is where I'm going to end today's makeover. I feel like we've come a long way. We are almost there. We are so close. I really wanted to make a separate video of me putting all the furniture in and decorating, because I feel like that should be a video in itself, because I have a lot of little details and things that are going into that that's really going to complete this entire space. So that's gonna be the next video. I am so excited. Please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you. We will see you in a few days in a new video. Bye. Say bye.